Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to import the Rio demo. On this domain I just installed the theme and the included plugins, but before importing the demo, the theme needs to be activated. Here you need to add your license key. I added my license key. Press check license. My theme is now activated. We have the option to add icons for features and amenities. For those icons to be imported along with the demo, the SVG support plugin needs to be installed and set up. I have it here already installed. You need to restrict it to admin. I will start the demo import process. This is the Rio demo. I will click import demo. Click continue and import. The import process should take a few minutes. The import process is done. I will click visit site. The demo content was imported. For the demo content to be exactly as the official one, some manual adjustments will be required. The first section that will need to be adjusted is Discover Popular Areas. The shortcode used in this section will use property categories, and the first step is to make sure that valid property categories are assigned to this shortcode, and after we will need to upload images manually for each category used. To check the shortcode, the home page needs to be edited with Elementor. I will go to Pages, look for Home page. Since the page was created with Elementor plugin, we will need to edit it with Elementor as well. I will click on each element used and add a property category. I will update the page to reflect my changes. And now I will edit the property categories used and upload manually images. The property categories can be found in Admin, Properties. The property categories are categories, type, city, neighborhood, county and state, features and amenities, and property status. In the shortcode, I have selected first apartments, which I will edit. To add the image, I will press Upload Image button. I will select an image from my device. Select the image. Press Insert into Post. Press Update. These steps will need to be taken for each category that I selected in Homepage. I will show another one. Press Upload Image. Select the image. Insert into Post. Press Update. I uploaded all images and now the section shows correctly. The same steps that I did for this section will need to be done for this one. Next on home page we have a map. For this map to load correctly, you will need to decide on the map systems that you wish to use. This can be done from Theme Options, Map, Map Settings. If Google Maps is selected, then a Google Maps API key will need to be created and added in the site, or you can just select OpenStreet. The next step is to set permalinks correctly. You need to go to Settings, Permalinks. They need to be set to post name. Now the demo content is complete. And you can start adding your own content. One of the first steps that you might take to add your own content is to edit homepage and change header and other images. I will quickly show how to do that. On homepage we have a revolution slider. You can edit it from admin, slider revolution. You can import any other sliders or create your own. To edit demo ones, you need to edit. And here you will be able to change text and other elements. If you wish to use a different header type, like an image or a video, you need to go to Pages, look for the home page, press Edit button, and in Appearance options, you will find the header settings. You can choose between None, Image, Theme Slider, Google Maps, Video Header, or keep Revolution Slider. In homepage we have other images like this one or the background for this section. These images can be managed from Page, Elementor Editor. To find sections quicker, I suggest to use Navigator. You can click on each section. For example, here you have this column, you have an inner row, and here is the image. Click on Style, and from here you can replace demo image with your own. Next, in this section you can select the background overlay and add your own image as section background. This wraps our video on how to import Rio demo. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notification on new videos.